Hey guys, this is a review of the Dremel Flex Shaft. I love this accessory for my Dremels, and it just gives you a lot more control over your work instead of holding the big Dremel like this to try to work on a piece, using something that's a little more pen shaped for detail work. And so it's got a little lock button here which holds the chuck in place. And you can use the flat-sided wrench or just crank it down with your hand. I'm just going to plug this thing in here real quick so you can see it at work. So you can imagine the ability to sand and do detail work with this versus trying to use the whole Dremel. So really easy to install. It's basically just got an elongated shaft that goes down in from here. You can see this in the product pictures, but so this, you basically lock it into the chuck without the collar here. So use the chuck, crank it down like you would with anything. And so it's got flat sides, so it gets a solid grip there. And then you come over the top and tighten it up. So super easy to install, and basically I don't take it off of my Dremel tool. That's how much I use it. I only pretty much choose to use my Dremel with the flex shaft installed. So this has been a great upgrade. I would recommend it to everyone who does any sort of rotary tool work on a regular basis. This thing is a game changer for the Dremel.